Hey, what is going on, guys? My name is Benjamin, and today we're going to be taking a look at Apple's AirPods and giving you a full review. So let's go ahead and get started. So let's start off here by taking a look at the case of the AirPods. This is a really nice case. I do like it. It kind of looks like dental floss, so not going to lie, but it is a really nice high quality case. It is a charging case, of course, and as you can see on the front we have a nice little indentation so you can easily open up the lid of the AirPods, and on the back we have a nice metal hinge, so it's definitely a very nice case here. And like I said, there is a lightning port on the bottom because this is a charging case that charges the AirPods very quickly. Now the magnet that holds the lid down is very strong, so you won't have to worry about it coming open in your pocket. So the case does charge with a lightning cable, and Apple, believe it or not, actually included one with the AirPods, so that's pretty nice of them. The case does charge fairly quickly, just like the AirPods themselves do. One thing I've noticed about this case though is after about a week's use it has gotten a little slippery, so you just want to be careful when you're handling it. If you did drop this case, I don't know how it would hold up. I think it would protect it just fine, but I definitely don't want to figure it out for myself. But just keep that in mind, it can get a little slippery as you use it. Now if you lift the lid on the case, there is a charging indicator inside in between the two AirPods. It is illuminated green when they are charged, and it'll be an amber color when they are charging. My favorite way though to tell how their charge is by opening the lid, holding it next to an unlocked device, and seeing the case and AirPods charge. And when you close the lid, it goes right away. And when you start using the AirPods, there are some cool features that you can configure in the Bluetooth settings, and then there's some that just happen. So one that just happens is if you take an AirPod out, it automatically pauses the playback, and if you put it back in, it automatically resumes. I find myself using that feature all the time. Also, in the Bluetooth settings, you can configure what you want each AirPod to do when you double tap it. So I have it set to like play and pause and skip tracks. I don't find myself double tapping a lot because most of the time it doesn't work, or it barely works for me, but it is cool that it's there. Now one thing I still don't like is how these things look in your ears. I kind of gotten used to them, but I still think they kind of look funny. So the main question everybody probably wants to know is, how do these things sound? Well, they sound good, and they're going to be good for most people. Now I'm not a big, audio person, but they do sound decent like I said, but they're not anything that's going to be blowing you away. Are there better options out there? Of course. But these are really good for people that just want some wireless earbuds, and especially for those people that are in the Apple ecosystem like myself. In my opinion, to me, they sound just slightly better than Apple EarPods, the headphones that come with your, iOS devices. So, yeah, they got a decent sound. You just have to try them out for yourself, but there's really nothing wrong with them, I think. Now, things I wish they would improve on, I definitely hope in the future that these are waterproof, dirt proof, things like that. I hope they get a redesign. Like I said, I don't really like the way they look, but that's just me. Overall, this is a very good product and I recommend it, especially like I said, if you're deep in the Apple ecosystem like me. But anyways guys, that's all I got for you, just a quick review. Stay tuned for next video, be sure to subscribe, and I'll see you later.